This week I want to talk about door jambs and the door panels. Well, door jambs, they're pretty straightforward. You just fill up the gaps. Maybe you take care on the seat that you don't come too far in. A little bit more difficult though, it's with the door panels. So you want to take care on a few spots that you not fall into the same traps that I did the first couple times. First, make sure that your door hinge is not going too deep in, otherwise they will clash with the dashboard. The same is the truth for a door panel. You should never go over this line here. Otherwise, in the most of cases, you have again a problem with the dashboard and the door will not close. And last point that I want to mention, always put everything together at least temporary, including the seats and the armrest on the door panel, because this is a very important part you don't want to miss if you want to have the door closing all the way up. But rather than that, it's fun to open the doors and people can see what all beautiful things you did to the interior. So have fun, give it a try. But this was the tip of this week.